Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve a few questions on differential equations. The question is, let xt comma yt satisfy the ODEs, that is the ordinary differential equations. dx dt is equal to minus x plus ty and dy dt is equal to tx minus y. If x1t, y1t and x2t, y2t are two solutions and phi t is equal to x1t, y2t minus x2t, y1t, then d phi dt is equal to option A minus 2 phi, option B 2 phi, option C minus phi and option D phi. Now we have phi t is equal to determinant x1t, x2t, y1t, y2t and phi dash t is equal to determinant of x1 dash t, x2 dash t, y1t, y2t plus determinant of x1t, x2t, y1 dash t and y2 dash t. Now given that x1 dash t is equal to minus x1 plus ty1 and x2 dash t is equal to minus x2 plus ty2 and y1 dash t is equal to tx1 minus y1 and y2 dash t is equal to tx2 minus y2. After substituting the values, we get phi dash t is equal to minus 2 into x1 y2 minus x2 y1, which is equal to minus 2 phi. Therefore, option A gives us the correct answer. The next question is the PDE, that is the partial differential equation, x into del to u by del x2 plus y into del to u by del y2 is equal to 0 is option A hyperbolic for x greater than 0 y less than 0, option B elliptic for x greater than 0 y less than 0, option C hyperbolic for x greater than 0 y greater than 0 and option D elliptic for x less than 0 and y greater than 0. Now from here we have r is equal to x, s is equal to 0 and t is equal to y. Therefore, s square minus 4rt is equal to minus 4xy. Now clearly, for x greater than 0 and y less than 0, we have s square minus 4rt greater than 0. So, it is hyperbolic. Thus, option A gives us the correct answer.